Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Mazda CX7, stock number 6015. This ran from 11th 2006 to the 2nd 2012. It has a L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet 1 dent. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag ball tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, 6 dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mag ball tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 5 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,